Are you tired of struggling with heavy vacuums that make cleaning a chore rather than a breeze? Say hello to the Kenmore DU1040 Bagless Upright Vacuum, the ultimate lightweight cleaning solution for your home. Let's delve into why this vacuum is a game changer and why it deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Kenmore DU1040 Bagless Upright Vacuum Lightweight Cleaner into your home. Lightweight and powerful, say goodbye to heavy, cumbersome vacuums that weigh you down. The Kenmore DU1040 is designed to deliver powerful suction in a lightweight package. Weighing under 12 pounds, this vacuum is easy to carry from room to room, making cleaning a hassle-free experience. With its lightweight design, you can tackle cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency. Designed for homes with pets. If you're a pet owner, you know how challenging it can be to keep your home clean and free of pet hair. The Kenmore DU1040 is specifically designed for homes with pets with a pet handmade tool that effortlessly removes stubborn pet hair from furniture, carpets, and upholstery. Say goodbye to pet hair woes and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home with the Kenmore DU1040. Clean any surface with ease. Whether you have bare floors, carpets, or stairs, the Kenmore DU1040 can handle them all. With 4 height adjustment levels, this vacuum provides optimal airflow and cleaning efficiency on any surface. From hardwood floors to thick carpets, you can trust the Kenmore DU1040 to deliver exceptional cleaning results every time. Extended reach for hard-to-access areas. Cleaning hard-to-reach areas is a breeze with the Kenmore DU1040. Its flexible hose extends to 7 feet, allowing you to clean stairs, above-floor surfaces, and other tight spaces with ease. No corner or crevice will be left untouched with the Kenmore DU1040's extended reach and versatile cleaning tools. Maneuverability and versatility. Navigate around furniture and tight corners effortlessly with the Kenmore DU1040 swivel steering system. Its sleek design allows you to glide around obstacles for a deep, thorough clean every time. Plus, with versatile tools like an upholstery brush and a 3-in-1 combination tool, you can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. Upgrade your cleaning routine with Kenmore DU1040. In conclusion, the Kenmore DU1040 Bagless Upright Vacuum is a must-have for any home. With its lightweight design, powerful suction, and versatile cleaning capabilities, it's the perfect cleaning companion for busy households. Upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the difference with the Kenmore DU1040. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.